I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see line integral of a complex valued function. So, what is that line integral of a complex valued function is let f of z equal to u of x comma y plus I into v of x comma y be a complex valued function defined over a region R. Capital R denotes that the region, and capital C be a curve in the region, then integration of C, that along the curve, the C denotes that along the curve, f of z into dz equal to integration of along the curve, f of z we will write it as u plus iv. You know that already. F of z we are going to write it as u plus iv. F of z always you will write u plus iv. Dz is nothing but you know that z is x plus iy, dz is nothing but dx plus idy. Now, integration along the curve f of z into dz equal to integration of c u dx minus v dy. So just first what I am doing, I am real terms only, I am multiplying u into dx plus iv into I dy. What is that? I into I should be I square. I square is minus 1. So that's the way minus 1 into v dy I have written. Plus I into this one say v into dx, v dx. Then this one should be u dy plus I into integration of c into v dx plus u dy. Right. Evaluation of line integral of a complex valued function is nothing but evaluation of line integrals of real valued functions. Right. Problems using this. Evaluate integration of c into z square into dz. First one should be along the straight line from z equal to 0 to z equal to 3 plus I. Another one should be along the curve made up of two line segments, one from z equal to 0 to z equal to 3, another from z equal to 3 to 3 plus I. See, given integral should be integration of c z square dz. So now first one should be what is that? Z equal to 0 to 3 plus I. This is z equal to 0 to 3 plus I z square dz. So this one should be 0 to 3 plus I. Z varies from 0 to 3 plus I. What is that 0 means? Z containing two terms. One should be Z is nothing but x plus iy. So that's the way x comma y varies from 0 means origin 0 comma 0, and 3 plus I means x variable should be 3, y variable should be 1, 3 comma 1. So the equation of a line joining 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 1 is given by, you know that in 11th standard you have been studied these formulas. So what is that formula? You know that y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 that equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 2-point form. Right, now in this formula just I am substituting the values. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Y minus 0 divided by x minus 0 that equal to 1 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0. We'll substitute this y equal to, we'll cross multiply this, y equal to x by 3 you will get. Or if you want, you can write this one x equal to 3y also. However we want, we will convert it. Next one, see here in integration, what is that? Z square is there. So z square is nothing but z square equal to x plus iy whole square. So if you simplify this, x square minus y square, a square plus b square, that is x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. We will expand this, you will get I square value should be minus 1. Right, z equal to x plus iy. If dz equal to dx plus I dy. Now integration of z square into dz equal to, what is that integration of z square into dz means? So we are finding along z equal to 0 to 3i. That means 0 comma 0 to 3 comma 1. That means this is x value, this is y value. And this is x value, this is y value. So if x limits comes, we will take 0 to 3. If y limits comes, we will take 0 to 1. So which function will remain in this? According to that we will take. Now 0 to 0, 3 comma 1. Here x square minus y square. Just I am simplifying this one, say with dx I am multiplying x square minus y square into dx. Just I am cross multiplying, plus I into I is nothing but I square is minus 1 2xy into dy. Similarly, I am multiplying with this one should be 2xy into dx. I term I am taking here 2xy into dx. Another one should be x square minus y square into dy. So I term I took outside. Now already I told that here y equal to x by 3 came. So now I will put here y equal to x by 3. I will write it as x equal to 3y. If x equal to 3y means if we differentiate with respect to y, so what you will get dx by dy equal to 3. That only I am writing dx equal to 3 dy. From this equation we are taking this x equal to 3y. Now here x values I am converting to in terms of y. In dx place also I am converting, that one should be dy. So here I will take y limits in this integration. Understood what I am telling? X place, x values I am converting to y, dx values also I am converting to dy. So that's the way I am taking the limits in terms of y. So now here y equal to 0 to 1. How I got it y equal to 0 to 1? Here this is x limit, this is y limit. So y equal to 0 to 1. So now x is nothing but 3y, that is 9y square minus y square into dx is nothing but 3 dy minus 2 into x is nothing but 3y into y, that is nothing but 6y square into dy, plus I into y equal to 0 to 1. Here say 2 into x is nothing but 3y into y into dx place. What is the dx place is nothing but 3 dy. Just I substituted. From in this equation I am substituting, plus here x is nothing but the 3y 9y square y minus y square into dy. Dy term I am keeping as it is. Now if I simplify this, 9y square minus y square should be 8y square. 8y square into 3 dy is nothing but 24y square minus 6y square into dy plus I into 2 into 3y into y into 3 dy. So if you simplify this, you will get 18y square. This one should be again 8y square. I will get 18y square plus 8y square into dy. Now if you will subtract 24 minus 24y square minus 6y square, y equal to 0 to 1, 18y square into dy plus I equal to I into integration of y equal to 0 to 1, 18 plus 8 is nothing but 26y square into dy. So if you will integrate this, integration of y square is nothing but y cube by 3, that is 18y cube by 3, y equal to 0 to 1, I into 26 into integration of y square into dy should be y cube by 3, that is y equal to 0 to 1. 3 ones are 3 6 are 6 you will get, then here 26 by 3 into I. We will apply lower limit, it should be 0. So upper limits only we are applying here. This is one part. Next another part should be line segment from z equal to 0 to 3. Then from z equal to 3 to 3 plus I. This is a given thing. So z equal to 3, 0 to 3 means already whatever x varies from, what is that? 0, 0 to 3, 0. Z equal to 3 to 3 plus I means 3, 0 to 3, 1 as shown in the figure. Now what you will write? This is z equal to 0 to 3 up to 3. Then what is that? 3 to 3 plus I means this line. See, z equal to 0 to 3 means C1 curve or C1 line. Z equal to 3 to 3 plus I means that is C2 line. So points we are taking. So 0, 0 to 3, 0. Then 3, 0 to 3, 1. This one. Right. Integration of z square into dz equal to integration of c1 into z square dz plus integration of c2 into z square dz. Along c1, y equal to 0. That implies that if y equal to c1 means what is that? X-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. If y equal to 0 means dy equal to 0 and x varies from 0 to 3. Y 0 to 3 here 0, 0 to 3, 0. X value from 0 to 3. Now y equal to 0 means dy equal to 0. Then here what is the z square? Already I told that. Here only I told previously only z square is nothing but what is that? In this one we are substituting. Z square is x square minus y square plus 2xy. Here if you substitute in this, that only we are doing here, x plus I, that means 0, plus dx dy value should be also 0. So now you will get z square is x square into dx. Along C2, what is this line? C2 is nothing but an x-axis means x equal to 3. If x equal to 3 means y equal to what is that? X equal to 3. If you take x equal to 3, then dx equal to 0. Now in the place of x equal to 3 I am putting here. So that time we'll get y varies from what is that? 0 to 1. Why? Because dx limits are all will become, dx values are all will become 0. So only y terms will remain. So that equal to y equal to, where is that limits y equal to 0 to 1? Already I told that. See here y limits from what is that? Here y limit should be 0. Here y limit should be 1. So that's why just along C2 I am taking y equal to limits 0 to 1. Z square into dz is nothing but, what is that? Z square is nothing but in the place of x 3 plus z square, already I told that here, x plus iy whole square plus dx plus I dy. Now 3 plus iy whole square, here what is that? X is 3, iy whole square plus dx is, what is that here? Dx is 0 plus I dy. Now 3 plus iy whole square into 0 plus I dy should be I dy. Now I will write integration of c into z square dz equal to integration of x equal to 0 to 3 x square into dx plus I into integration of y equal to 0 to 1 3 plus iy whole square into dy. But that integration of x square is nothing but x cube by 3. Integration of this one, see, before integration just I am expanding. If you will expand using a plus b whole square, we will get 9 minus y square plus 6iy into dy. So if you will apply upper limit 27 by 3 minus 0, if you will apply lower limit I into, this one should be integration of 9 dy should be 9y, integration of y square should be y cube by 3, 6I into y square by 2, y equal to 0 to 1. This one should be 9 plus I into, we will apply upper limit 9 minus 1 by 3 plus these two ones are 2 3s are 3i. Now you will get 9 minus, see, just if you will simplify this, real terms I into I should be what is that? I square. 3I square is minus 3. I took that one outside. 9 minus 3 plus I into this one, if you take LCM, you will get 26 by 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 26 by 3 I along the given path. This is that first problem. Next, one more problem you will see here. Evaluate integration of c into modulus of z square dz, where c is the square with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. The curve C is shown below. See, we are drawing the graph for this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. We are putting that, placing the points. This is 0, 0, and this is 1, 0 point, and this one should be 1, 1, and this one should be 0, 1. So we are getting a square type graph. So first I'm moving from O to P, and next one should be P to Q, and next one should be Q to R, then next one should be R to O. So we are splitting this integral into 4. So one should be integration of C modulus of z square dz equal to along C1 modulus of z square dz, along C2 modulus of z square dz, along C3 modulus of z square dz, along C4 modulus of z square dz. What is that modulus of z square? You know that z equal to x plus iy. What is that modulus of z is? Root of x square plus y square. Z is x plus iy. Modulus of z is root of x square plus y square. Modulus of z square is x square plus y square. That only I put. Then dz also already I told. What is dz is nothing but dx plus I dy. Now along that 4 curves we are finding here. First along C1. What is that C1? Along C1 is x-axis. X-axis means how do you write? Y equal to 0. Dy equal to 0. Here y dy term should be 0. If dy term should be 0, I will take limits in terms of x. That is clear. Next, what is that modulus of z square? Already I told that x square plus y square into dx plus I dy. So here x square term should be x square, y should be 0, dy should be 0. The time I will get x square dx. So only x terms are there. That's why I'll take limits x varies from 0 to 1. Next, I am taking C2. This is C2. C2 is nothing but what is that? X equal to 1. X equal to 1. If x equal to 1 means dx equal to 0. If dx 0 means dy term should be there. So the time I will take here y varies from what is that? Y limits I will take y varies from 0 to 1. Okay, y varies from what is that? Y here this is C2 curve. No, y limit should be 0. Y limit should be 1. Now here also I am taking along C2 modulus of z square into dz is that. What is that modulus of z square? Already you know that x square plus y square. X is 1 plus y square, dx is 0 into I dy. Y varies from 0 to 1. Along C3, next one should be what is that? Y equal to 1. See, this is a line C3 means. What is that line? Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 means what is that? Dy equal to 0. Modulus of z square into dz equal to x square plus y. Y is nothing but that 1 square is 1. Dx plus I dy. Dy should be 0 into dx you will get. Here see only dx term remaining. Dy is 0 here. So that's why I'll take limits x varies from. So x limit should be what that here 1, 2, what is that? 0. In this direction. X limit should be here 1, 2, what is that? 0. So I'm taking along C3 1 to 0. Next along C4. C4 is nothing but what is that? C4 here the curve should be y-axis. Y-axis means what is that? X equal to 0. So dx equal to 0. Here dx should be 0. I will take the limits in terms of y. So modulus of z square into dz equal to, here see, modulus of z square should be, x should be 0. Y square, dx should be 0 into I dy. So y varies from 1 to 0. Now I'll write integration of c into modulus of z square into dz equal to, I'll write the limits x equal to 0 to 1. See c1, what is that? Here already everything I specified. Along C1, what is that? X square dx. What is that limits? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Next, what is that? C2. Along C2, I am taking, what is that? 1 plus y square I dy. Limit should be 0 to 1. 1 plus y square I dy. Next, along C3 is nothing but, what is that? Here, x square plus 1 into dx. Limit should be 1 to 0. So, x square plus 1 into dx, 1 to 0. And next one should be, along C4 is nothing but y square into I dy. Limit should be y equal to 1 to 0. Now integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 1 plus I into I am taking outside. So integration of dy should be y. Integration of y square dy is y cube by 3. Limit should be 0 to 1. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus dx is, integration of dx is x 1 to 0. Now similarly, I took outside, integration of y square into dy should be y cube by 3. So now I have been applied the limits. If you will apply the limits, see here 1 by 3 minus lower limit should be 0 plus I into here 1 plus 1 by 3. Here also if you will apply upper limit it should be 0. Lower limit if you will apply minus of 1 by 3. This one should be 1. So if you will multiply that overall limit minus, you will get minus 1 by 3 minus 1. And next one should be I into y cube by 3. So I into this one should be, upper limit should be 0, lower limit should be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3i minus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3i. So you will get minus 1 plus I. If you will simplify this all, you will get minus 1 plus I. Integration of c into modulus of z square into dz equal to minus 1 plus I along the given part. One more problem we will see in this. See, evaluate 1 minus I to 1 plus I into 2x plus iy plus 1 into dz along the paths. Here they have given x equal to t plus 1, y equal to 2t square minus 1. Another one should be straight line joining 1 minus I and 2 plus I. Right. Here the substitution they are given x equal to t plus 1, y equal to 2t square plus 1. Given limits I will take it, say I equal to, here 1 minus I is there. I will take x limit as 1, y limit should be minus 1. 2 plus I, x limit should be 2, y limit should be 1. into 2x plus iy plus 1 into dz. Now, here x equal to t plus 1, y equal to 2t square minus 1. What is the, this one if I will differentiate dx by dt, what is the dx by dt is nothing but differentiation of t is 1. That is dx equal to dt. dy by dt, differentiation of 2t square is 4t, 1 should be 0. That is dy equal to 4t into dt. X varies from, see here, x varies from 1 to 2. Right. Now, here why x varies from 1 to 2 means dx place what I am going to put dt. And dy also what I am doing, I am converting in terms of dt. So now, if you will take this x equal to 1. If you will give x equal to 1 in this, what will the t plus 1? T plus 1 means t equal to 0 you will get. X equal to 2, t plus 1. That x equal to t plus 1, that equal to 2 means t equal to 1. Right? So t varies from 0 to 1. Already we know that what is the dz is nothing but z is x plus iy. dz is dx plus I dy. Now I equal to t equal to 0 to 1. I am converting that x limits in terms of t. At the same time I am converting the dx, dy, x values and y values in terms of t. So now limit should be t equal to 0 to 1. 2 into, here see in this one I am substituting. X is what is the t plus 1. Y is what? 2t square minus 1 plus 1. What is the dz is nothing but dt plus is there here. dt plus I into 4t dt. Now, here just I am multiplying 2t plus 2. Here 1 is there. That one I added 2t plus 3. Then I into 2t square minus I. dt I took outside. Here dt plus I into 4t dt is there. dt I took outside. That time I am getting 1 plus I 4t into dt. Now I am multiplying this 1 plus 4it with this. If I will multiply this 1 into this terms, I will get 2t plus 3 plus 2i into t square minus I. Then similarly I into 4t into with this terms I am multiplying. That time I will get 8t square I plus 12it minus 8t cube plus 4t. We will simplify this. First minus 8t cube term I have written. Next one should be, I am writing what is that? 8t square I plus 2it square is 10it square. And next I am writing this 12it plus 12it, here another it term is 6it is there, that one I have written. 12i plus 6t. Here, where is that 6t here? See, 4t plus 2t is nothing but 6t. Just I have written. That is 6. Next one should be 3 minus I into dt. Now integration of t cube should be t power 4 divided by 4 minus 8 into t power 4 by 4. This is integration of t square should be t cube by 3. This integration of t is t square by 2. 3 minus I into dt is nothing but 3 minus I into t. If you will apply limits, so first upper limit I am applying. So if you will apply upper limit, 4 ones are 4 twos are minus 2. Then plus 10 by 3 I. Next one should be 12i plus 6 divided by 2 plus 3 minus I. Now minus 2 plus 10 by 3 I. This one should be 12i by 2 is 6i. 6 by 2 is 3 plus 3 minus I. We'll simplify this, we'll get 4 plus 25 by 3i along the given path. Similarly, one more curve is there. Equation of a straight line joining 1 comma minus 1 to 2 comma 1 is given by, what is that? See, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. We know that formula, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into y2 minus y1 x divided by x2 minus x1. That formula have been used and I substituted x1, y1, x2, y2 values. We'll substitute and simplify. You will get like this: y plus 1 equal to 2x minus 2, y equal to 2x minus 3. Then dy equal to 2 into dx. See, I am substituting in the place of y x values. So I will dy also in terms of dx. So I am taking x limits. X varies from 1 to 2. How do you get x varies from 1 to 2 here? See, what are the limits? X varies from 1 to 2. Here x varies from 1 to 2. I equal to x equal to 1 to 2. In that integration, in the problem we are substituting, what is that? First one should be, what is that problem here? Already you know that 2x plus iy plus 1. Wherever see, first term should be 2x. I into y is 2x minus 3 plus 1. Dy is nothing but dx plus dy plus I am substituting 2 dx. Now if you simplify this, 2x plus I into 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 2i into dx. Now 1 plus 2i I am taking to the first. Integration of 2x is 2x square by 2. This one should be integration of 2x is 2x square by 2. Integration of 3 dx should be 3x. Integration of dx is x. Now 1 plus 2i into 2 cancel means x square. This 2 cancel means ix square. Now minus 3ix plus x. If you will apply that upper limit and lower limit, so if you will simplify that, you will get 4. So 1 plus 2i into 4, that is nothing but I equal to 4 into 1 plus 2i along the given path. That's all.